February is here. The frost is still lurking, but guess what? Your garden doesn't have to wait. While some gardeners hibernate until spring, the smart ones, like you, get a head start. By planting the right seeds indoors and outdoors, you can enjoy an earlier, bigger, and better harvest this year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to start indoors, what to plant outdoors, and what you can harvest right now. Plus, I've got a crazy gardening fact at the end that might just blow your mind. Be sure to check out our free app to see which vegetables are perfect for your unique situation. Let's get started. Step 1. Why February is the perfect time to start growing. Most people think February is too early to plant, but here's the truth. This is the best time to get ahead of the game. Cool season crops thrive in February. Indoor starts mean stronger plants for spring. Early planting equals an early harvest. Fun fact, some seeds actually need the cold to germinate properly. Looking at you, parsnips. Step 2. What to start indoors in February. If you want bigger, stronger plants by spring, now's the time to start these indoors. Start these under grow lights or on a sunny windowsill. Brassicas, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbages, cauliflower, kohlrabi. Warm weather crops, aubergines, eggplants, cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, leafy greens, lettuce, leeks, onions. Perennial powerhouses, artichokes. Pro tips for indoor growing. Use heat mats for peppers, tomatoes, and aubergines. They love warmth. Keep humidity up. Cover trays with plastic domes or use a spray bottle. Use a fan for airflow to prevent mold and weak stems. Secret tip. Pre-soak broad bean seeds overnight before planting indoors. It speeds up germination. Step 3. What to plant outdoors in February. Yes, you can plant outdoors in February as long as you choose the right crops and protect them. Cold hardy crops to sow outdoors. Broad beans, one of the toughest crops, perfect for early planting. Carrots and parsnips. Cold stratification actually helps their seeds germinate. Peas, just give them a little mulch and they'll thrive. Radishes, grow super fast, even in chilly weather. How to protect your outdoor crops. Use cloches or row covers to trap warmth. Mulch around seedlings to prevent frost damage. Plant in raised beds or containers for better drainage. Pro tip. Sow carrots in February for the sweetest harvest. Cold temps reduce bitterness. Step 4. What you can harvest in February. Don't forget there are still plenty of crops you can harvest right now. Winter superstars you can pick today. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Frost actually makes them sweeter. Cabbage and cauliflower. Perfect for coleslaw or soups. Carrots and parsnips. Cold temps equals sweeter roots. Kale and chicory. Hardy, nutrient-packed greens. Leeks and lettuce. Keep your salads going. Swede, rutabaga. A true winter warrior. Fun fact. Brussels sprouts taste twice as sweet after a frost because the plant converts starches into sugars for protection. Step 5. Get your soil ready for spring. Before spring arrives, give your soil some love. Feed your soil now. Add compost and organic fertilizers for nutrient-rich beds. Sharpen your tools. Dull tools equals messy cuts and sad plants. Plan your layout. Rotating crops prevents pests and boosts growth. Stock up on seeds. The best varieties sell out fast. Secret tip. Want fewer weeds in spring? Cover empty garden beds with cardboard or mulch now. It smothers weeds before they sprout. Step 6. Prune fruit trees and berry bushes. February is the best time to prune your fruit trees and berry bushes before they wake up in spring. Trim apple and pear trees to remove dead or crossing branches. Prune raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries for more fruit production. Cut back overgrown shrubs to shape them for the season. Pro tip. Use sharp, clean shears to prevent disease and encourage healthy growth. Step 7. Crazy February gardening fact. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Some seeds can survive for thousands of years. Scientists once found a 2,000-year-old date palm seed in an ancient ruin, and it still grew when they planted it. So if you've got some old seed packets lying around, don't throw them out just yet. They might surprise you. Want more fun gardening tips? Subscribe now, because you can grow it.